Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Homebase how to post availability status. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to set or update your availability status in the Homebase app, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Homebase application, tap on the sign in option at the bottom of your screen and log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on schedule or more, select the schedule tab or more in the app navigation, then simply tap on request, then choose availability to start managing your availability. Then next is to tap on request new to submit your regular and weekly availability like days or hours you can work and unavailable times you cannot work, and temporary changes like vacation appointments, etc. Then add the details and then lastly tap on submit. Managers will need to review and approve your availability required by your workplace settings. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.